Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I want to share a traffic source that you can start using to build a high quality list and start making potential sales and commissions. This traffic source, I have been using it myself, and it's one of the traffic source that I do recommend. And yes, I use it and I'm giving it away to you. Normally, the top-notch gurus will not give any of their secret traffic sources for free. They actually charge, but I'm going to give it to you for free. Go ahead, start using it. It is one of the best traffic sources out there. And yes, it does convert. And yes, it does have quality traffic. Now, before I dive into this video, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then make sure you smash the subscribe button. You should see that button anywhere on this page below this video anywhere. It should say subscribe on it. Just click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get my future video updates. Don't forget to share this video, leave a comment for me, let me know what you think about this video. If you have questions, I will be answering your questions, and give me a thumbs up and hit the like button. It will be appreciated. So let's dive into this video. Remember, when it comes to affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products, you could have a website, you could have a landing page, you could have a blog, you could have everything out there. If you don't know how to get traffic, you're going to struggle. You're not going to able to make any kind of money. Traffic is the king in this online business. You want to make yourself professional with one traffic source. Start off with one traffic source, become professional, then move on to the other one. You just don't want to rely on one traffic source. Remember, there's a difference between becoming professional with one traffic and relying on one traffic. First, you start off with one traffic source, become professional. When I say professional, I mean you should know exactly how to convert that traffic into sales, how to make profit, all right, how to build a quality list, and how to track your conversions and sales, making sure that you're in profit all the time. So become professional with one traffic source, and once you are professional, then move on to the other traffic source and then start learning and educating yourself with that other traffic source. So you have 3-4 different traffic channels coming, visitors coming to your website, to your offers, and that's how you're going to build a real successful internet business. Okay, now most people will get started with Clickbank because Clickbank is easy. It is absolutely free to join Clickbank, all right? And they have thousands of products online. Now they have started to do physical products as well. So if you go into the weight loss niche, you could see that you can promote a physical product basically. So if you promote a physical product, you make a sale, they will ship that product for you to your customers. All right. But like I said, you could have the best product, the best offer, best niche, best whatever it is. If you can't get traffic, and when I say traffic, I mean two: quality traffic, targeted traffic. What is quality traffic? Quality traffic is traffic that is looking for that offer. So for example, if you're getting traffic from the Google search, YouTube search, Bing search, that is quality traffic. Why is it quality traffic? It's because people are typing in to find a solution, and you're putting your offer right in front of their eyes. All right. Number two, quality traffic is when you get traffic from the top countries that normally spends money, and that is UK, US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. These are the tier 1 countries. When you get traffic from these countries, it is known as quality traffic. And number three, last but not least, the network. It depends on the network as well, how they are getting that traffic and they are delivering it to you. Okay, so there are some networks that will deliver traffic based on search, based on these 5 countries, but still that is not quality traffic because there's a glitch. And the glitch is they are getting traffic like an exchange. So basically I click your website, in return you click my website, or getting clicks based on credits. So they're telling you to click, you're going to get credits. So even though this traffic is search, This traffic is coming from the 5 countries, but it's not quality traffic because they are not clicking because they really want to buy. They are clicking because they're going to get credit. All right. So you have to look into all this kind of, so it depends on the traffic network as well. All right. For instance, social media traffic is quality traffic, but compared to Google and Bing and YouTube, it is less quality traffic. The highest quality traffic, in my opinion, is from Google, Bing, and YouTube. All right. So now let's dive into this and let me share the traffic source that you can use to build a list. All right. So the traffic source is called Tim Solo Ads. All right. Right now, while I'm recording this video, I think he has some kind of discount going on here. Okay. Now this guy's got very good traffic. I've been purchasing a lot of traffic from this guy. All right. So if I just scroll down and look at packages, you could see here people are buying traffic from this guy, all right, and they are making sales. You could see here, all right, and I've been purchasing a lot of traffic as well. Okay, so you could go ahead buy traffic from this guy, all right. It's very easy if you just go to Google, right, and just type in Tim Solo Ads and scroll down. It's going to be this website here, what you're seeing here. Okay, that is timpsoloads.com. That is timpsoloads.com. TIMP soloads.com. Right, I've been using this guy a lot. And yes, I do believe that he's got a very good quality traffic, responsive traffic, and you can expect to make sales if you got a very good offer and you know what you're doing. All right. And you can see the traffic and the clicks are quite cheap as well. Look at this, man. Look at this. 1,000 unique clicks for just 350 bucks. That's so simple. All right. So if you want to buy traffic from this guy, you just head over to Google, type in Tim Solo Ads, and you could find this traffic. Make sure you look at the testimonials before you purchase, okay? Because there are some testimonials that is out of date. For example, this one. Look at this one, iPass. That's quite like 4, 5, 6 years ago, all right? So you have to be very careful. You have to make sure that they are up to date. So normally I go for the videos, but yes, I still believe this guy's got very quality traffic because just 2 months ago, 2 or 3 months ago, I purchased traffic, I guess, from this guy. And I just believe he's got very good quality traffic. Now, when you get started, always start off with 300 clicks if you're just beginner. Don't go below that and don't go above that. Don't get crazy. Just start off with 300 clicks and keep on testing until you find the right offer. And then you want to scale your business, all right? There's another traffic source that you could look into, and that's called Udemy. I've been talking about this a lot. I have a complete tutorial on this on how to select the good people in Udemy and start buying some real quality traffic from the Udemy traffic network. As you can see down here, they've got 51% buy rate. That's very good. Okay, 55% buy rate, 62% buy rate. You know what does buy rate mean? Buy rate means basically the amount of people that made money from this guy's traffic. That's what it means, not the amount of sales that this traffic vendor is making. All right, so look at this, 75%. And if you just hover your mouse, it even gives you the information. Look at this percentage of rating where buyers report sales. So someone purchased traffic and they said, oh, I made money from this guy's traffic. Include did in calculation 100 latest got sales versus got no sales rating. So you could read the whole info on what this exactly means, okay? And you could scroll down, and I've got like I said, I've got a complete tutorial on Udemy how to use Udemy to its best and start making real sales and commissions using the Udemy traffic source. Okay, so this traffic source that I'm sharing with you is called email traffic. All right, email traffic, solo ad traffic, email traffic basics, because it's one of the easiest way to get real quality traffic, fast traffic, targeted traffic and start making money and start building a list. All right. One of the other traffic source that I normally share, and I'm going to continue to share because it has so many buyers, is called Solo Monkey. All right. Now, I'll have a link for this in the description box below this video. You could check it out. So, but if I just scroll down, you could see it's got three type of packages. One is called the gold package, which is called the tier 1 package, and one is called the buyer package. I've purchased a lot of traffic, thousands and thousands of clicks in the past from this guy, from the buyer package and from the tier 1 package. He has changed this. This used to be USA package. That means traffic only from USA. Now it's coming from tier 1. That means 5 different countries. But still, this guy's got very, very quality traffic. If you want to test drive this guy, yes, you could go ahead. But always, like I said, as a beginner, you want to find the right offer that's converting, and you want to try your best to be in profit from the first purchase. So you always want to start off with minimum 300 clicks and then scale your way up. If you don't make money in that 300 clicks, it's probably either the email follow-ups or your offer or something else. So you might want to buy traffic again and test a different offer. If it's still not working, you could contact the vendor and just ask him what type of offers are converting good with your traffic, and he'll tell you. For example, I contacted this guy recently, okay, and I was about to promote an offer related to Warrior Plus, okay, and he told me straight that right now, at this current moment, I'm talking about just 2 months ago, two and a half, 2 months ago, I guess. I think it was just 2 months ago. I contacted this guy and I told him I want to promote this offer. All right, I want to promote offer that's related to Warrior Plus, and he told me straight. He said right now, at this current moment, Warrior Plus offers are not converting very good with my traffic. I don't know why, but it's not converting. It's not converting very good. It's not converting very good. And he also said that Clickbank offers are not converting very good as well at this moment. If you really want to promote and make a lot of money with my traffic right now, then Digistore 24 offers are converting very, very good. This is what he had to say. Now, that doesn't mean that you can't promote Clickbank offers, Warrior Plus offers. It all depends on the time. It all depends on your offer. But this is a way for you to find out if your offer is going to be a good fit for his traffic or not. So you could contact the person before purchasing any kind of traffic and ask him that I have this offer. It's related to this. Do you think I'm going to make any money? And he'll tell you straight if you're going to make any money or not. All right. Now, I have a very good relationship with this guy because I've been purchasing thousands and thousands and thousands of clicks from this guy in the past. So that's why I could ask him any question and he'll just reply back to me telling me if it's going to work or not. All right. Now, his traffic normally converts for all networks, but sometimes it depends on the timing and everything. So he just told me straight that at this current moment, I don't know what's wrong, but my traffic is not converting. Let me show you the real proof as well. All right. I'm not just bragging here. I'm going to show you proof. Let me just go to my Facebook account. Let's see if I could find it. What's going on? All right, so let's see if I could find that message. I messaged him. Okay. Oh, it's been quite some time. It's not been 2 months. More than 2 months. My mistake. Sorry about that. So check this out. Okay, so look at this. I contacted this guy June 2022. Yes, I'm fine. Is quality wise your traffic good? That means right now, is the quality wise your traffic still the same as it used to be previously? Look what he answered. Depends on what offer you want to promote. I know these days Warrior Plus is not converting for anyone. See, I'm not bragging. I contacted this guy to find out because I wanted to. If Warrior Plus is not converting, then which program are you currently promoting? Do you know any high ticket legit programs? And then he said, yeah, you know Digistore 24? I said, yes. And then he said, there are some offers converting okay. And then guess what he said? Look at this. I asked him again, are they converting with your traffic too? His reply was yes, pretty solid conversions. Now, this was in June 2021. This was like about 5 months ago, 6 months ago, right? Now is December 2022. So you might want to contact him again and find out which offer is going to convert. Okay, you could ask him about the Clickbank offer. You could even specifically send him the offer and say, hey, I want to promote this offer. Do you think I'm going to make money with your traffic, with this conversion? And he'll give you a, remember the reply that he gives. It's not like 100% accurate. He's just giving his estimate, okay, based on his conversions, based on the testimonials he's getting, and based on his experience. All right, just because he said you're not going to make any sale doesn't mean you're not going to get any conversion. You might will make money, you don't know. And just because he said you will make money is pretty solid conversion does not mean that you will make money. Perhaps you might not make money, you just don't know. All right, things could go anyway. That's why you should detach yourself from the outcome. Okay, so this guy has very quality traffic, okay, despite of whether you make money or not with his traffic, but the traffic is very top notch quality traffic. I could say that for sure. That so if you do build a list using this traffic source, you could assure that you are getting quality subscribers and real responsive subscribers. Remember that. Okay, now if you really want to change your life and you want to make at least $10,000 a month in affiliate commissions every single month without a fail, all right, promoting other people's product, and you are sick and tired with all the BS out there and jumping from one product to another product, then I have some great news for you. There is a brand new Clickbank machine that is changing people's lives. Real people with real results. And if you want to learn more about this Clickbank machine, how it's changing people's life, and you want to see real testimonies of people making $1,000, $2,000 plus every single week from Clickbank and affiliate networks, then click the link in the description box below this video. Click on that link, watch the video, activate the machine, and guess what? If you do everything correctly and you take massive action, your life will never be the same again. All right, so there you go. You have everything here. If you love my videos, give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, share this video. If you have questions, leave a comment for me. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And yes, if you still want access to this brand new machine and you want to change your life permanently, you want something that covers something that's working right now at this current moment, then this is it. This is the opportunity you have to find. You have that you could finally crack the code. So click the link in the description box below this video and start, or go ahead, watch that video, watch the testimonials, activate the machine, and there you go. You have a complete training program that could potentially change your life permanently and allow you to live the life of your dreams. All right, so once again, thank you for watching my video, and hopefully I will see you in the next video.